Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to link third-party accounts to KuCoin account. For that, make sure you have the application on your device and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, you need to simply tap on your profile icon at the top left. You will be now lead to this kind of interface. All you need to do is tap on security. Now at this security category, you can see the option third-party accounts under the email. You need to tap over there. You will be now given two options, either to log in using your Apple ID or log in using your Telegram. Now if you want to log in using your Apple ID, simply tap on the link option. After that, you need to choose your Apple ID and tap on continue, and your Apple ID will be linked. Another option is to log in using Telegram. All you need to do is tap on the link. Now here, all you need to do is enter your phone number and tap on next, and they will be sending you a verification code. And after entering the verification code, your Telegram account will be linked. And this is how you can link third-party accounts to KuCoin account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.